Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miss Nguyen. My nickname is Mama Nguyen. So today we have one more dish. My favorite dish is steamed fish. So this is the ingredient for the steamed fish. So I will show you how to steam it. Okay, you need the dish like this. It is a fish on the whole fish, right? Okay, so first of all, here, you always clean with the sauce, clean a little bit more. I clean already because I buy in the supermarket. So they already clean, but I have to clean one more time. The head here, if you eat, you can eat. But if not, you don't want the head, you take them out later. Okay? So you have to cut the fish like this. 1, 2, like this, okay? The soy sauce go inside. 1, 2, 3. Remember, when you're cooking, you need a sharp knife. And make more easy. Now I have to slice the ginger. Okay? You need this knife too. More easy and faster. Okay? So that's all we need. You have to turn the knife like this, not like this. Turn out. And save your finger. So that's all you need. Leave the fish like this. Right? Some salt. A little bit. See? On other side. A little bit. Black pepper. And you turn another side. Black pepper. If you want more black pepper, you can put more. But if you don't want, you can put less. Now, I have to put the fish in the dish here. First of all, 1 ginger on the bottom, and put the fish on the top here, and you put the ginger here. Now we put in the pot for the steam now. You need this thing here. You need the pan, deep pan like this, as long as the fish fit on. A little bit over. I will cut. See? The fit on. We have to cover the cup. I will tell you the time, how long, 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I will tell you exactly time. Okay, but you smart and you will figure out. It is good fish. The scallion here, so we don't need the whole thing, we just need the roof only. Yeah, that's all you need. Okay? You have to cut the roof up too. Now I clean up. So this vessel you have to slide to pound. See ya? Okay? And this you take another knife. Hold your finger here. Okay, while we're waiting for the fish boil, and I want to share with you something. This is a homemade, and I made myself. This green mustard soy sauce, And this Vietnamese pickle, I made myself. This also, I made them. And I made this too for the Vietnamese New Year. I wrap it and I cook it. So I love the recipe for you, but give me some time because I need a camera and a director, okay? So give me some time, I will share with you, the whole world will know my recipe. Now, it's 6 minutes already. So now I want to take the water inside the fish out. I have to take this out. And here, you have to hold it like this. You take the water from the fish out because it's very smell. You put it back. And I have to mix the sauce. This is the Maggi soy sauce. 1, so 2, and 1 oyster sauce. Make more flavor. That's it you need, okay? Right here. You have to mix together. Now we have to put the sauce on the top of the fish. You see it? And we steam another 5 minutes. We have to cover again and take another 5 minutes, okay? And turn high the stove again. Okay. Now another 5 minutes is ready, so the fish is down now. I have to stop the stew, okay? I just made the low. Now this is the scallion, the root scallion. This is very special. Everybody do different way, but I go to the restaurant and they put straight on the fish after they steam. They put straight. I don't like it. And I do my way, so I have to saute a little bit saute onion, scallion, and more flavor and smell good. My husband, he don't like fish. He always eat meat. But when I steam the fish, I do my way like that. He eat it. Because it's very healthy. I want him to eat more fish, more vegetable, keep him healthy. So that I do my way like this. So it's a bit better and better and better. Believe me. Okay. You need a little bit. Just see here. You don't need more oil. Just like that. Okay. Now I have to open up and take the fish out. And leave it here. Okay, now, and the fish come out better. Okay, now, hot already. You put scallion root inside. See? Make more flavor. Okay, and put a little bit salt. That's all you need. You don't need more. See? You can put on the top of the fish here. Okay, you keep some in the pot. You keep some in the pot, and you later you eat. You need you put it back on the you put it on the fish again. Okay. Now the fish steamed fish is ready. I show you how to take the fish out and how to eat with the rice. You can cut the fish like this. You see you take the fish like this, and you put some this, put on the top here, and you take some scallion. See you can eat. Okay, so this is the steamed fish for today, but you don't need the whole food, the whole fish. You can buy in the supermarket, the fillet fish, you can steam. You need to do like the way I do. Any fish, you can steam. But you have to do with the scallion. To saute, you put on the top of the fish. And you can eat daily. So very natural and healthy. So I want to keep you healthy. So I want to share with the whole world now. So I want everybody happy and healthy. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for all fans. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.